You are watching Learn with Rushika. Welcome to my channel. Story for today is The Lion and the Rabbit. Once upon a time there was a beautiful jungle. There lived a very big, lazy and old lion. Being the king of the jungle, the lion called all the animals and ordered them, "Every day one of you should come by yourself as my prey, otherwise I will destroy the whole jungle." The animals were too scared of the lion and agreed to obey his order. The animals planned to go one by one. One day, it was Rabbit's turn. When he was on his way, he saw a well. Now he plans to kill the lion and save himself. He went to the lion and told him that there is another lion who claimed to be more powerful than him. The rabbit takes him to the well and said he lives here. When the lion looked in the well, he saw his own reflection and jumped in the well and dies. Moral of the story: wisdom is stronger than physical strength. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.